our new podcast series, Thinking Intentionally. In this series, we'll embark on a journey to explore the incredible power of thoughts, desires, and intentions in shaping our lives. But before we delve deep into this fascinating topic, let me pose a question to you. Have you ever pondered how your thoughts and desires can sculpture your reality? Stick around because that's precisely what we're delving into today. Imagine a blank canvas. Your thoughts and desires are the colors you choose to paint your life. It's like a masterpiece in progress, and that's exactly what we're here to discuss. But first, let me immerse ourselves in the wisdom of this quote, the cornerstone of our series. Develop a habit to not think of what you do not wish to have or experience. Think only of what you desire and expect only what you desire to come into your life. Think of your mind as a potent tool. Much like a compass, it guides you towards your thoughts and desires, setting a course for your journey. Throughout this series, we'll explore practical exercises like journaling, mindful practices, and positive affirmations. These are the tools to take charge of your compass, steering you in the directions of your desires. As we navigate the uncharted waters of our thoughts and desires, remember your compass. It will be a recurring theme, something to help you stay on course. I encourage you to share your thoughts on your desires and how you plan to bring them into life. Let's create a community of intentional thinkers. Now, here's the exciting part. You can develop a habit to harness this power. I encourage you to take the first step today. Share your thoughts on your desires and how you plan to manifest them. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes in this series where we'll delve deeper into specific aspects of thoughts, desires, and personal developments. In our next episode, we'll explore the science behind thoughts and desires. How do they truly shape our reality, and what can we learn from the research in this field? Thank you for joining us in this journey of self-discovery and personal growth. I'm Leroy Glover, and I'm here to guide you on the path on thinking intentionally.